In this video, you will learn how to use a crosscut saw. Crosscut saws are used for cutting across the grain. They may be large or compact and usually consists of closely arranged V-shaped teeth. The tools and materials that you will need are a crosscut saw, a tri-square, a pencil, a vise, a sawhorse, a workpiece, and some scrap wood. The crosscut saw consists of a handle and a serrated blade designed to cut against the grain. The teeth of the blade are beveled to create a knife-like cut that can sever each individual fiber. Each of these teeth tends slightly towards alternating sides. This helps to cut a slot that is wider than the blade, enabling free movement. Use a tri-square and a pencil to mark a line running through all four sides of the piece of wood. Clamp the workpiece with a piece of scrap wood on either side for protection. Hold the saw with your dominant hand. Place the thumb of your free hand on the saw line, displacing the saw slightly wide of the mark and into the waste wood. The extra bit can be reduced later with a plane, file, or sandpaper. Make a small groove with shallow pull strokes. Maintain eye line with the workpiece. Keep your shoulders in line with your hand. The saw should be aligned at around 40 degrees. Ensure that the blade is held straight and stays in position. Make sure you use both hands for cutting the workpiece. As you approach the end of the cut, start sawing slowly at a 0-degree angle. Hold the workpiece on the side of the cut that isn't clamped to avoid chipping. Unclamp the workpiece. Check with a tri-square if it is cut at a right angle. In case it isn't, you can plane it flat. You can also use a sawhorse to hold the workpiece. Place your knee on top of it and apply your body weight to keep it steady. Remember to hold the end before it falls off. You have now learned how to use a crosscut saw.